Okay guys, this is going to be a test video of my Wheelock AS and my BG-10. So the AS is set on low volume, code 3, and the entire setup is running on 30 volts DC. And on the BG-12, I lost the hex lock screw thing, so I replaced it with a drywall screw. And the button in the back I used from one of my Simplex pull stations. It broke. The button broke like the second day I had it. So it's going to be a test video. So here we go. Holy cow, that's loud. Come on. Open up. Oh god. Okay, hang on. God, that's loud on low volume. Okay, hang on. Sorry. This is a little bit not easy to reset with one hand. And there you have it.